Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Medea J. In this video, we're gonna be unboxing and trying out the new Kayali fragrances. So these are the body spray, all over body spray fragrances. They're limited edition. We're gonna get into it. I got sent a PR box and I want to unbox it with you guys and go through the scent, go through the body spray, go through everything. So if that sounds exciting to you, then definitely keep on watching. And if you're yet to subscribe, please do subscribe to my channel. It's lovely to have you here. And yeah, let's jump right in because I am so excited. Right, so if you're anything like me, the minute Mona drops something new, I get so excited. So I've been seeing these body sprays on Instagram and I've just been like, the sprayer, everything just looks fantastic. So I got sent a box, which we're gonna get into, and these are the all over body sprays. They are limited edition. I've literally just received this, so I'm gonna be reading from the little flyer thingy and we're gonna get into the fragrances. So it says they are all over body sprays. They are a soft take on the original best-selling Eau de Parfums. So they are basically from the line that Kayali already has. Available in a convenient, easy to use format. These sprays envelope you in a powerful continuous mist, making it your go-to companion for an irresistible scent and layering experience anytime, anywhere. Very exciting. It says Kayali's limited edition all over body spray are housed in sleek, luxurious 125ml aluminum bottles, each radiating the stunning colors and essence of its corresponding Eau de Parfum. And then we're gonna get into what I actually got. So this is how it came. Beautiful Kayali packaging. Reminds me immediately of yum pistachio gelato. And when you open it up, this is what we've got. Okay, so what they've sent across, I've got vanilla 28, I've got yum pistachio gelato, and I've also got Love Fest burning cherry 48. So we're gonna look at vanilla 28. It says it comes in a 125ml bottle, all over body spray. I absolutely love the packaging. I love that the packaging sort of looks like the fragrance. It's giving off that vibe, which is really nice. It comes well sealed. So let's take that off. Gosh, that is so satisfying. All right, so the packaging is off and this is what it looks like. Very pretty. You do have the notes at the back here, and the notes are exactly the notes of vanilla 28. There's vanilla orchid, tonka absolute, brown sugar, amber woods, and musk. Very nice. There's a whole warning label at the back as well, and some recycling information, and that's about it. So the tips, so it said use your all over body spray around the clock, from post shower or on the go layering to refreshing your scent game. So essentially it's encouraging you to pop it in your bag and use it like a refresher, or use it to layer your fragrances, or use it as you come out of the shower, which is quite nice. It says for a more powerful scent, trail, spritz your Eau de Parfum on your pulse points, inside of the wrist, elbows, and behind the knees and ears. And then for an even longer wear, be sure to moisturize with balm or lotion before spritzing on the body. I actually want to ask you guys, does anybody still spray fragrances without moisturizing? Like, that's like the basic fundamental. We're not even going to get into a whole shower routine, just basic body lotion. Do you use fragrances or body sprays without a body lotion? If you do, please chime below, because genuinely I am very interested in why. That no judgment. I honestly want to understand, For me, I'm extra, and I know I'm extra. I go with a body oil, I go with a body lotion, and sometimes I even go in with a body butter. And it's because I have the tendency of having dry skin, and again, I'm black. And sometimes, we go overboard because we don't want to be ashy. But I really want to understand if this is just, I don't know. I just want to understand why you would use a body spray or a perfume without moisturize. Now, how do you think it's gonna work? Like some of us even go in with an oil, perfume oil on top of the body oil. But anyway. So Kayali is basically saying it depends on how intense you want your fragrance to be. You can start off with a body moisturizer, body butter, body whatever that you like. You can choose to go in with this if you just want something light, something you could top up during the day, easy breezy, lemon squeezy. If you want something a little bit more intense, make sure that you spritz your fragrances in your pulse points, and that's your wrists, the back of your leg, your ankles if you like, your neck, depending on if you're allergic and stuff like that. You know what to do. Just spray it on your pulse points and use this as and like during the day topper, just to make sure that it's intense throughout if you want that. I quite like that. I like that there's diversity in how you could use this body spray. I like the fact that you can use it like that. So you can really be in control of how intense or not intense you want your fragrance to be. This is why I enjoy body sprays. And especially as this one matches fragrances, they're great layering options. Especially if you're not really into layering different scents. You can just layer the body spray, a body butter, so get a vanilla body butter in this essence, and layer it with an Eau de Parfum. So that is good. So it retails for £39 or $45 or €45. It's available in, obviously, on the Huda Beauty website, Sephora US, Sephora at Kohl, Sephora UK, Sephora EU, Sephora Middle East, ICI in Paris, Harrods UK, Selfridges Boots, H&M Beauty, ASOS, and Cult Beauty. So literally you can get it from your faves. You and I know what we're here for. I really want to test what this looks like. Like, is it a continuous spray or is it like spritz? I have the Oudgasm Rose Oud Hair Mist, and I love this. I love this that it's just spritz. You don't spray it continuously, but I use it for my hair and it smells really, really nice. So I'm expecting this to be a continuous mist. So let's see what this looks like. I'm gonna try and get up close and see. Are you ready? Actually, I'm selfish. I like the Vanilla 28 too much. So we're gonna do it with Love Fest. This is Love Fest packaging. Very nice. Okay, let's see. Whoa. I literally took my finger off. It's continuous, you guys. Look. I'm not gonna waste it, but it's continuous. Oh my gosh. Oh, that smells lovely. That smells really good. You know what I'm gonna do. You know this, right? What? Oh god, that smells delicious. Oh, why have I never combined these two together? I might be on something if I don't choke myself out. Open your windows, people. You don't want to choke yourself out. Oh, that was strong. Okay, this actually combines really well. Right, so I suppose we need to just air this. The spray, the intensity of the spray is insane. That's insane, Mona. That's insane. You've taken body sprays to a whole new level. This is very exciting. So I'm very excited to layer this with the fragrances, different fragrances, and really put it as part of my fragrance layering. Oh, this smells really nice. It definitely is lighter. It definitely is lighter than the Eau de Parfum, but it's still very prominent. Like, you can absolutely identify that it is that fragrance, which I love. It's warm, it's the gourmand, it's everything Vanilla 28 is, and this is everything Love Fest is. Let's actually check what Yum Pistachio is like. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna just... Oh gosh, yeah. Definitely smells like Yum Pistachio Gelato. It smells absolutely delicious. So all three of them do smell like the fragrances, which I love. So I'm very excited to layer this, play around with it, layer with fragrances, layer with body butters, body oils, and all of that good stuff. Let me know what you think about the sprays. I'll let you guys know once I've sort of tested it out and worn it a little bit in terms of its performance. I don't think I could do that right now because it's supposed to be an unboxing, but I will come back to you guys in future videos to let you know how the performance is. But if you have tried this out and you have worn it, definitely chime below what the performance is like and how you're combining it with different fragrances. Is it elevating your fragrances? Is it making the fragrance last longer, more pronounced? Definitely chime below. Personally, I'm very excited for this, and I'm hoping that other brands catch on. Kayali, to me, seems to always pave the way for a lot of these brands to sort of think outside the box, and I really like that they're very innovative. So I'm looking forward to seeing powerful body sprays, not just body mists, but powerful body sprays come out of other brands. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and don't forget to like the video, comment, and share, and I will catch you in a future one. Bye.